Hey, welcome back to my channel, Joe Magic Tarot. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we will see who is your soulmate. As you can see, there are three piles. The first one is green one, second one is yellow, and last but not the least, pink. You can meditate on these cards. Hi, welcome back, pile number one. Whoever has chosen this green stone, let's see your cards. Who is your soulmate? The first card is number 14, the fox. I hope you can see. Number 14. Number 14 in Lenormand basically represent that this person is going through a lot of problems. Lot of problems means, if you can see on this card, a hen is there. Fox want to eat this hen, and some kind of deception is going in his life, his or her, whomsoever you are asking about, going through a lot of issues. The next card is number 16, the star. Okay, this person could be or can be in a karmic relationship. All right, so this person can be going through a legal battle or a breakup or with a karmic cycle. All right, the next card is gambler. This person could be a gambler. The people with whom this person is with, the karmic people, those people might have used this person. With the Queen of Pentacles, this is a person who is very much very emotional, and she sometimes take decisions which is not good for her. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn could be their sun sign. Okay, the next card is transformation, number 13. Number 13 could be prominent for you. This person might be going through a transformation in his or her life. With the Ace of Cups, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio could be their sun sign or your sun sign. This person would be emotional. This person would give you a stability with the Queen of Pentacles card, and definitely this person would love you abundantly because there is a pigeon inside that cup, and there are a lot of lotus as well. The next card is Sun card. This person could be a Leo, you could be a Leo. With the Sun card, definitely you will meet this person on a bright day. That is also possible. Red could be their favorite color. You will have a sun with this person. The next card is Co-Create. Co-Create is a card wherein you can see there is cheetah and there is owl. So owl is like very wise. One person would be very fast and one person would be very wise. Both of you can co-create and do something. You can do an online business so that you can co-create and collaborate with each other, and you can do your own thing. The next card is Consciousness. This person would come out of that dilemma, come out of that problems which they are going through with the karmic cycle, and they will have a consciousness. They will connect with spirituality. The next card is Ownership. Ownership means this person will definitely take the ownership of your relationship. You acknowledge your misdeeds and accomplishments alike and learn to love them all as lessons. So definitely this person will take ownership of your relationship, your soulmate. This person would be very patient. They will not create havoc in your life, never. Number 16 could be prominent to you. The next card is Faith. This person would be trustworthy. You can trust on this person. This person will gain confidence after meeting you, and number 36 could be their age, right? This person could be self-employed and some kind of entrepreneur, or they hold some kind of business. The next card is Dried Flower Fairy. With this person you will make a lot of sweet memories in your life. Number 11 could be prominent to you. Study. This person could be a professor, could be a teacher. They love to read, they love to research, they love to educate a lot of people, or they might be on YouTube giving a lot of information to other people. And this person will be very confident, and they will help you to gain confidence in your career as well. Family changes. You have to change your family while getting married to this person. You might have to go out of the country, or they might change the location, you might change the location, something like that. The next card is Christian Lacroix. A world without color is a world without joy. Dress for your next adventure, make an entrance, then cause a revolution. This means this person love colors. Okay, black could be their favorite color. They love check shirt. They would be playing with the colors. They love to, wear different kind of colors. Okay, the time frame, when will they meet? No need to worry, angels are saying that you keep on meditating, definitely this person will come towards you. Okay, and the last card is Lord Hanuman. You can pray Lord Hanuman, definitely this person will come towards you. And let's check out where will you meet this person. You can meet this person while traveling, meeting through friends, common friends. You can meet this person. You can meet them at a friend's party, or in a mall or something like that. Okay, the clock, you can meet them at 10:30 p.m, 10:30 a.m, or on the divine timing. You can meet this person, meet through messages and all that, or you can meet through radio. Okay, so this is your reading. I hope you like it. If you like it, please hit a thumbs up on my video, and please subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to hit the bell button. And if you need a personal booking, definitely you can contact me through email or Instagram. Everything is mentioned in the below description box. Thank you so much. Let's head up to pile number 2. Hi, welcome back, pile number 2. Whoever has chosen this yellow stone, let's see who is your soulmate. The first card is number 37. 37 could be prominent to you. This could be their age. There is an owl here, so this person would be very wise. You will meet them at divine timing. Okay, 24, number 24, Swan. You both are in a soulmate connection or twin flame connection. J could be their initial. Number 24 could be prominent to you. Their birthday or your birthday is possible. Mend a broken heart fairy, healing from the heartache. This person would be coming out of a heartache, or somebody has cheated on them or something like that. In a karmic situation, or coming out of a karmic situation, or presently in a karmic situation. That is possible. The next card is Four of Swords. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius could be their sun sign, or this could be your sun sign. Four of Swords basically denotes that this person had done with their karmic partners, and definitely they wanted to rest now. They have put in all the swords down here, and they wanted to rest. So this is the basic scenario. Okay, the Justice. This person could be going through legal battle. You will get justice from this relationship. You will meet this person through career. This person would be fair to you. This person would be protective towards you. Alright, the next card is the Star. Aquarius could be their sun sign, your sun sign. This person could be very much famous on social media, or this person could be a star, a singer, a rapper. Yeah, that's possible. Your soulmate is a star basically, very popular. No place like home. Person will make you feel that you are a part of their home. The next card is King of Cups. This person will have a lot of control over his emotions. This person would not be that much emotional. He knows how to control his emotion. The next card is Resurrection. Will give you a lot of surprises. This person is definitely coming out of recovering from a past relationship. A lot of people have cheated on them. You can see a lot of black cats over here. A lot of people have done some kind of magic on them, and definitely this person will come back. It means this card also denote comeback, so this could be your ex relationship, something like that. Okay, the next card is Sacrifice. Number 12 could be prominent for you. This person would definitely sacrifice for you. There is a lot of rainbow, so this could be a same-sex relationship. The next card is Don Juan. This person could be a dancer, could be this person will be very much romantically attractive towards you. They have some private agendas in their life, and they will always be in spotlight with the Star card. And definitely with this card, this person would be very seductive and very positive person. The next card is Spontaneity. This person will be very spontaneous, and you move beyond the constraint of the mind and freely and loving embrace new situations. Will take action, everything will go fast and fast. Flowering, with this person definitely you both will flourish together and you will have a very good life ahead. The next card is caring connection. So number 14 could be prominent to you, number 14 could be prominent, this could be your birthday, their birthday. Definitely this person will take care of you. You are in a soulmate connection, you could be in a twin flame connection. This person will give you a lot of gifts and all that. The next card is set your sights higher. So definitely this person will help you, you know, to see a higher perspective of every situation, and this person will have some kind of standard, and this person have some kind of expectation with you as well, and they don't settle for less. So this person knows what is the value of their life. So the next card is changing your mind. Your perspective towards life could change a little bit and you would see positive things in everything. Okay, all the negative things will come down and you will always see everything in a positive way. The next card is Tom Ford. This person could be, you know, they love black color, they love, you know, this kind of attire, and white could be their favorite color as well. The next card is perfect timing. With the divine timing you will meet this person, and angels will help you to meet this person. Angels will give you a lot of signs and synchronicities. Definitely that time you will meet this person. With Lord Ganesh, remover of obstacles. So if there are some obstacles in love life, definitely you can worship Lord Ganesh. This person will definitely come towards you. And let's check out where will you meet this person. Okay, with the dice. Okay, you could meet this person while traveling. This person could travel towards you, or you can travel towards them, or you can go on a vacation. That time you can meet this person, or this person could be on a vacation. That time you will meet them. Or and the next dice is sleep. Basically you might be, you know, sleeping on a train or something like that, and they just catch you up. All these things like that. Okay, what is this? Meet this person through some, you know, park or playground or something which is related to a play. Okay, so this is your reading. I hope you like it. If you like it, please hit a thumbs up on my video, and please subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to hit the bell button. Let's heads up to pile number 3. Hey, welcome back, pile number 3. Whoever has chosen this pink stone, let's see who is your soulmate. The first card is number 27. 27 could be prominent to you. This basically denotes that this person will send you an email, a poem, or a message, anything, something which is related to written messages. So this person could send you some written messages, guys. Okay. The next card is A, ring. A could be in the initial. 25 could be prominent to you. This person might be going through a legal battle, or this person could be a divorcee because the ring is in reverse. Okay, the next card is 3 of Cups. Rejoice in celebration. You will definitely meet them in a party, or in a wedding, or in a birthday party, or some sort of party. You will meet this person. They are getting out of the third party, or they are already divorced. That is possible. 5 of Swords. Their sun sign could be Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. This person has fought their, you know, fought with some demonic people. You can see that, you know, everybody is leaving, and this person is, you know, putting up with their swords. So definitely this person will, you know, leave all the karmic situations, and then they will come towards you. They might be going through a legal matter or something like that. They might be fighting with a lot of people. Number 13 could be prominent for you. Financial constraint. This person could be going through a lot of financial constraint because of the third party, something like that. If this resonates, definitely you can comment on the comment section. The next card is 8 of Pentacles. 8 of Pentacles is like Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn could be their sun sign, and definitely this person could be working hard on their pentacles. As you can see, this person is hard working like anything after this financial constraint. Okay, this person will come out of that financial constraint and will work on their coins and become successful. Okay, number 24 could be prominent for you. Lantern Fairy, a clear solution. Definitely this person will come out of that issues and they will get a clear solution in their life and they will meet you. With the Temperance card, this person will find the balance. This person will give you equal give and take in your life, and your relationship is definitely protected by angels. There is a bright day, so you can meet this person on a bright day in the morning. That is possible. Hope. This person, you will give hope to them, and this person will anticipate a lot of things when they meet you. You will help them to get a bright prospect about life, and you will be like a wish to them. Okay, the next card is Unity. You understand that the love shared with one another is amplified and have a ripple effect across the universe. This person could meet you through family members. That is just a channel message, and this union will give you unity. Okay, the next card is Silence. This person would be a little bit silent, shy. They don't speak much. Okay, you can meet them in the night or nearby some lake or mountain and all that. The next card is You Are Stronger Than You Know. This person will become stronger after meeting you. To be fair, this person will always be fair in their relationship. You will get the justice in this relationship. They will not treat you in a bad way. 38 could be their age. This person can work with flowers. Okay, this person could be a florist, or they have a very big heart, they have a blossoming heart, and your life purpose could be working with flowers, working with environment. You could be a travel vlogger or something like that. The next card is Alchemy. You could be an alchemist, you could be a light worker, you could be a clairvoyant. That is possible, and you both would be working on a project, and whatever this person will touch, it will become gold. Okay, so this person could be a very good luck for you as well, and you could be a very good luck for this person. Mother. Light attributes. This person will nurture you like a mama, and this person will be very, very, very patient with you. They will give you unconditional love, and they will give new birth to your life. If you are going through a bad phase of your life, they will give you a new birth. And if you have been abandoned by your parents or some issues are going with your parents, they will take you out of that, and you will come out of that guilt, and they will make you independent, and they will caress you like their baby. Alexander McQueen. This person would be a little bit stylish. They love to be nude in front of you, or they love crop tops or off shoulder dresses for women, and they could love orange color. Blue color could be their favorite. Purple could be favorite. They could have a beard, mustache, and small eyes. Very intelligent, very smart. When you meet them, listen to your intuition. Angels will give you a lot of signs and synchronicities. With that, you can understand that when will you meet this person, and you can ask your intuition. Definitely you will get the answer when will you meet this person. Okay, let's see where will you meet this person with dice. You can meet them through messaging, phone call, online dating, something like that. Okay, you can pass smile at each other. Okay, in a random place, that time you can meet them. L could be their initials. Okay, you can meet them at home in the night. You could meet them on a vacation. They could be coming on a vacation. You could be going on a vacation. That is possible. These are the places where you will meet this person. Okay, so this is your reading. I hope you like it. If you like it, please hit a thumbs up on my video, and please subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to hit the bell button. And if you need a personal booking from me, definitely you can contact me through email or Instagram. Everything is mentioned in the below description box. Thank you so much. I love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.